Okay, magnification. So magnification of mirror. Basically பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ratios of heights of images and the objects with respect to the object distance and image distance. அவ்வளவுதான் விஷயம். ஓகேவா? So we call this as linear magnification. We call this as linear magnification. So நம்ம இதுக்கு முன்னாடியே கூட இதுல பார்க்கும்போது இதில் பார்க்கும்போதே கூட we saw a dash b dash by ab is equal to v by u, right? Can we substitute height of images and height of objects for that? There is nothing but going to give you the magnification. Okay, suppose a dash b dash divided by ab is equal to v by u ன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோமா? a dash b dash is nothing but what? Height of image, which means minus hi divided by height of object. Okay, suppose height of image to that of height of object is equal to minus v by u, which is equal to m. So this is nothing but what? Magnification. So this normally is called as a linear magnification. And you have something called as aerial magnification. Okay, aerial magnification அப்படிங்கிறது ஒன்றும் இல்லைப்பா, ஏரியா வச்சிருக்க magnification. So magnification என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா மல்டிப்ளை ஆகும். Okay, so aerial magnification பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் it is going to be m square is equal to ai by ao. So area of image to that of area of object. Say for example what they will ask you is, if I place a concave mirror and if I place a rectangular card in front of the mirror of area so and so, what will be its magnification if its image height is so and so, or image area is so and so? Or otherwise they will be giving you the area of object and area of image, and they will be asking you to find out what is going to be the magnification of the mirror. You can use anything for this. Is that clear? Right? Purida? So this is all about magnification. And magnification does not have any units. Okay? Because it cancels with displacements. And here the squares of displacements.